This Loongrie engine motor mount set offers a complete group of 4 brackets designed to restore proper support and alignment for the engine and automatic transmission on compatible Toyota Camry and Solara models. The mounts are built from durable, high-grade materials that resist cracking and collapse, which helps maintain stable engine positioning over long-term use. By securely isolating the engine from the chassis, this set noticeably reduces vibration and harshness in the cabin, making daily driving smoother and quieter. The package includes specific pieces for the transmission, torque strut, and front and side engine positions, so you can replace all major wear points in one installation. Fitment is engineered to match original equipment dimensions and mounting points, which simplifies installation and allows the existing hardware and brackets to line up correctly. Overall, this set is a strong choice for restoring factory feel on aging Camry and Solara vehicles whose original mounts have softened, sagged, or failed.